finished Desafío Ruta 40. It was a really nice race. I want to congratulate Tosha. He did a really nice job. He finished first overall. I finished second, but now I'm the leader in the World Championship. So it's really nice the feeling. And now I will try to enjoy and keep this moment for Morocco and try to fight for the world title.
I'm really happy with this race, unbelievable for me and the team, for Honda and Monster Energy. It's my first time here in Argentina, my first time too in Ruta 40, and first win with Honda, so super, very happy and let's more.
This rally, I fell in love with it from the start, and yeah, what a beautiful country, beautiful riding, and the organizers did an amazing job. And yeah, I'm happy with my week. Every day I was strong, and I put my best foot forward, and the results have shown. So.
For me, it was a really good race. I enjoyed so much. Was a really tough stages. Good riders like Francisco Moreno, here, me, Marcelo. Was an amazing race for us.
really nice to come here, you know, in Argentina, Ruta 40. It's first time for us to do this rally, but we have a lot of experience of Dakar. Yeah, I am really quite happy, you know, to win this race. The first edition world champion. Yes, and I would like to congratulate for Matthew because he's already world champion. And I don't know, me, maybe yes, maybe no, but okay. It was a good race for us and we are quite happy.
Al-Attiyah's final margin of victory was 22 minutes with all 5 Toyotas in the top 5. Eugenio Amos finished within an hour in just his second rally in the T1s. Al-Attiyah's lead isn't quite unassailable in the W2RC, but it would take something remarkable to deny him the title. Loeb has slipped down to 4th behind Al-Rajhi and Jacopini.
Consistency for sure is the key. Every day we stayed smooth, never really got out of the car, had flat tires or anything like that, and just kind of kept the car moving and kept a great pace for sure. So overall, just keeping the car moving all day long and staying fast paced, of course.